dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I decided to make a video showing my recent drawing practice, which I'm really excited about. It's just a little overview of what I've been working on and why. I don't know if this ever happened to you, but sometimes I look at a piece of drawing or painting or any visual concept and there is this feel of harmony and life, even when it's not a realism, and for some reason it's kind of captivating. It drags you in and you just have to watch it, you just have to keep watching it. I'll go with the hair study first in here. When I draw a realistic study of hair, of a hair strand, I love to start with very light and soft layers of shading. And I'm using contour shading technique, and I realized already in this part of the process I'm trying to use the technique to respect and recreate the flow, the natural flow of the hair strands, drawing those lines in the direction the hair naturally grows. So even while drawing the volume, the 3D effect of the object, I try to think of its natural fluency. It's been a while since I started to observe or study this, let's say, element of the work, I don't know how to call it, and I found out its rhythm of lines and sense of a natural flow, its dynamic energy or movement in the drawing, especially while trying to capture an object lacking of any physical motion. If you follow me on Instagram, you could see my many videos showing some of my studies of volume and texture of hair, and also some quick sketches on the other hand, where I was trying to create some flowing energy using just simple contours, trying to emphasize the beauty of the rhythm of shapes and figures. When I'm drawing this strand of hair, I think of a flowing river, following the shape of the shore and the surface of the ground. Every pebblestone it gets into a little chat with on the way. And I'm trying to capture this sense of fluidity, this rhythm, using both the 3D effect, the volume, something that creates the illusion of form, and the texture itself. All those lines, all those details in the drawing. Also, I played with the texture a lot. I love the natural messiness, and this one comes from my own imagination because I wanted to add some negligence to it to make it more natural. Even though I create detailed drawing, which takes a lot of time and patience, both the process and the final result suggest the feel of ease and effortlessness. I'm still trying to work with this, but I'm so excited, and it makes me happy when I can feel this rhythm in the drawing. And now let's get to the simple sketching, where there's no volume, no texture, just simple lines, simple contours, and there is a certain underlying beat expressed with the simple shapes, and those shapes are talking to you. And anytime I was sketching, I just felt something so exciting, and I couldn't explain it for so long, for such a long time. I just felt like those lines are living their own life naturally. So it's just, they're so fluid and naturally flowing, and this was kind of satisfying for me as well. While making motions with my hand, during the whole process, I try to feel relaxed, during the dancing, with lightness and ease, to leave some continuously lines behind the movement, to capture the sense of the rhythm and something dynamic even when I'm creating a static figure. I enjoy the process of quick freehand sketching, the dance, the duet of your hand and the pencil, led by the visual shapes you're trying to recreate on the paper, not by the music. That's the difference. And the paper reflects the trajectory of every movement. In fact, it's a dance captured on the paper. Maybe we're just focused on the reflection on the result too much, and we can't really see the dance. When you realize everything comes from your hand, your fingers, wrists, your arm, without the movement you can't really see anything, because the drawing is a trajectory of the motions of your hand. The pencil and the paper, that's just a medium that helps us to make it more stable, to make it visible for others, to make it live a little longer than the moment of its creation. And the fullness or thickness of the line in the middle might express an accent. They go from the very light and thin lines to the stronger ones, and then it comes to the lightness, softness again. This adds some dynamics to the beautiful, organic, simple shape. And this is all that makes the sense of the rhythm in the simple sketch. I hope you can feel it somehow as well. This is something I'm trying to achieve in my drawings recently. That's all from me for today. I hope the video was helpful. In case you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe to my channel, because many new videos are coming soon. In case you want to check out the real-time versions of my videos or more tips and narrated processes, check out my Patreon account. There are more than 150 videos right now, and I would be really happy to be part of your art journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!